Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I want to do two things. Number one, I want to talk about more in detail about my off-white Nike toolkit. This is the one with the off-white like X-Acto knife that I used to unbox a lot of the mystery boxes and the gadgets that you guys see me do here on the channel. Secondly, I want to announce the winners of all three of our current giveaways. That's the giveaway with the Fujifilm Instax 9 mini kit. That's the giveaway for the two Yeezy power banks, and that's the giveaway for the Nike backpack, tactical backpack, and the gym bag. So all of that will happen in today's vlog. Let's go. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. Why? Because the moment we hit 200,000 subscribers, we are going to give away this Realme 3 smartphone. So make sure that you guys are subscribed, make sure that you follow me on IG, and make sure that you hit the notification bell. First things first, let's take a look at my off-white Nike toolkit. Now, I was able to get this from the Randy Galang. Randy Galang is one of the more well-known like icons or figures in the local streetwear and hype scene. So he actually brings in a lot of the samples that you guys see, and a lot of the photos, early photos that he does, ends up being featured on sites such as Sneaker News and Hypebeast. So he's pretty big. Now, I was fortunate enough to be able to connect with him on IG, and he sold me this particular off-white Nike toolkit so that I can, well, use it and secondly feature it on the site. Now, as you guys can see, it's made from black cloth. And it does have the off-white Nike branding splattered all over it. So it does say here, Nike Inc. care of Virgil Abloh, quotation marks, off-campus, New York, USA, with the Nike swoosh. So you have that repeating all across the entire black cloth. Now, there is a Velcro strap here in the middle, and that's what you use to be able to open it. And once you open it, you do come to several pockets here inside with all the different tools that you can use in this particular kit. Now, it says here, again, in quotation marks, in true Virgil Abloh fashion, toolkit. And it says here, everything this kit has been chosen to help you make your ideas happen. So just like Virgil is a designer, this kit is specifically made, I think, more for creatives and fashion designers who want to sketch and like do quick adjustments and try out like whatever is in their mind and make them actually into reality. So that's the toolkit. Now, if you flip this flap open, it reveals all the pockets with the different tools available in the kit, and we'll go through them one by one. First up, you have 3 needles that you can use to be able to sew whatever it is that you want to sew, and it also comes with thread. Now, usually thread is just your typical white kind of, thread, but this one is special because it actually says there, thread in quotation marks. So it's not your usual like thread roll, because this one is off-white the heck out of with the branding that you usually see with a lot of the off-white products. So that's the first, the thread. Next up, we have a multi-tool, a steel multi-tool that you have here, which says multi with the swoosh logo and multi in quotation marks. So if you flip it open, you have some sort of pliers. But if you take a look at the different like tools that you can pull out of it, you have a knife, you have a screwdriver, you have a letter opener, and you have a bunch of other stuff that you can pull out from the side of the multi-tools. Again, this is very handy, especially for situations that you would use or need several types of tools, and they can be already found in this small portable thing. So that's the second item inside the toolkit. Next up is the most familiar tool that I usually bring out here on the vlog, and of course that is my X-Acto knife with cut once written engraved along the side of the blade. So you just pull it open, and this is how I usually cut through all of the tape that we see in the boxes that I do, regardless if they are mystery boxes or gadgets that have tape that need to be cut. Next, we have a really nice looking pencil, and it says along the side graphite in quotation marks. You have the Nike logo. It is some sort of like gray pencil with a white eraser at the top. Problem with this one, after you use it, well, then it's gone. Next, we have our ruler, and it says here, it's color white, it says here measure twice, again in quotation marks, and then you have the Nike logo on the other side with that familiar swoosh. Then we have some sort of like pen, a thin pen with ink written on it. So it's very nice to be used for like, I don't know, brainstorming ideas where you need to mark things down or you need to write things down with this one. And then you have two more pens. This one is in black, so this is the one that you shake to be able to get the color out, and this is the one in white. So I think they're both black, or I don't know what the color of this one is, but yeah, this one says black in quotation marks and has that swoosh. It is color black. This one is white, has white in quotation marks and has the swoosh as well. Very off-white. So again, you have both of them in the toolkit. So that's what the toolkit actually has that you can use for this particular set. Now, if you don't need all of those things and you like the black bag that comes with it, all you have to do is to take out the different tools. You can put it in electronics here. You can put it like cables. You can put in different kinds of pens. You can put in even a power bank where the multi-tool is at over there. So this can be like a really nice all-around toolkit bag, regardless if you use the stuff that can be found inside or you just slot in your actual everyday essentials that you guys use. So that's actually it for our show and tell of a product. Now we get to the announcement of the winners of the 3 giveaways that are currently ongoing on the site. First up, we're going to announce the winner of the Fujifilm Instax 9, I think, mini kit that we actually featured during my 100,000 peso or $2,000 tech mystery box unboxing from Pounded. So let's find out who the winner is. Congratulations to the winner. Please do get in touch with me via Instagram so we can talk on how you can claim your prize. Guys, if you haven't watched that particular video where I unbox over 100,000 pesos or $2,000 worth of gadgets from a mystery box, the link to that video can be found down below. Watch it, enjoy it. Has hundreds of thousands of views already. I'm sure you guys will like it. Next, we will find out who the winner is of the two Yeezy power banks. So let's find out who the winners are. Congratulations to both winners. Again, guys, please do connect with me via Instagram so we can talk on how you can claim your prize. And lastly, this is where we announce the winner of the Nike Tactical Backpack and the Nike Gym Bag. Congratulations to the two winners of the Nike Tactical Backpack as well as the Nike Gym Bag. So there you have it. Those are the winners of all 3 of our ongoing raffles. Now we are headed to the new raffle at 2,000 subscribers, guys. We're giving this away. We're giving away 200,000 subscribers, not 2,000, 200,000 subscribers. We are giving away this Realme 3. I will also be giving away this rose gold and black grenade necklace. So please, I have 2 new ones from rose gold and black. So again, we will be giving 3 items away once we hit 200,000 subs. You have the phone and you have the 2 necklaces. By the way, if you guys don't know yet, rose gold and black is doing their birthday sale this month. And what's happening is you can actually get, just for you guys, just for the viewers of this show, up to 40% off their bracelets, necklaces, and accessories. That includes this beaded bracelet that I have here and the grenade necklace that I'm currently wearing right now. 40% off. The link to those, to Rose Gold and Black, the special link can be found down below. So make sure that if you guys have been, if you guys have been on the fence of buying one, now would be the best time to do so. And that's actually it for this quick vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I pray that you all had an amazing weekend, and I pray that you all have a great week ahead. That's it for now, guys. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.
devil.